Scott Renner, the Chargé d'Affaires at the U.S. Embassy, and you know, President Trump and Secretary Rubio and the American people have promised support to the people of Jamaica, and behind me is one of the examples of that. These are very large lift helicopters, up to 11,000 pounds they can carry, and they're going to be working shoulder to shoulder with the JDF to get supplies out to the Jamaican people who we know are in desperate need, and we'll be right there with you.
I want to thank the government of the United States of America and of course the U.S. Embassy here in Jamaica for the coordination. I want to thank all of the personnel that have come. This is 3 of 8. We are hoping that by tomorrow the balance will be here, if not latest the weekend. And of course these 3 will be out to work tomorrow morning. I've been assured by the charge that tomorrow morning, in conjunction with the Jamaica Defence Force, they'll be taking supplies down for distribution, widespread distribution to all the affected communities in Western Jamaica. Just want to reiterate that we are here, we understand the frustration, we understand the anxiety and the suffering from a catastrophic hurricane category 5, and we just want to say we understand and we definitely are doing everything in our power. We pray for you, and God bless Jamaica.